Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my kitchen. We had lots of rain yesterday, but this morning the sun is coming out and everything is looking green and like spring is definitely springing around here. And I'm excited because speaking of spring and beautiful spring flowers, I have the April Joyful Jordan box with its beautiful floral design, and I'm excited to share that with you today. So let's get started. As you know, the Joyful Jordan box is a monthly surprise box from Jordan Essentials. Everything is made in the United States. It's a woman-owned company in Nixa, Missouri, and they focus on healthy skin and healthy life products. So just like it says there, and as we open up this Joyful Jordan box, it says, "Hey there," and this box is going to be a little box of awesomeness. So these monthly surprise boxes are $25. You can do the subscription and get free shipping, and they are full of great healthy skin, healthy life products that are at least valued at $35. Often it's more. Most of the time there are several exclusive items in the box. Sometimes there's an item from a regular catalog. This time around, I'm really excited. These are all exclusive items. There's even something fun, and you might be getting some clues from this cute little card. So what type of blossoms do those look like on there? I'll let you think for a minute and see if you can guess. You can drop it in the comments below if you think you know. So the card that comes in this box, and each box does come with a little card, it says, "Spring is here. Renew your soul and rejoice." Okay, if you haven't figured it out, let's see what this surprise is. So this month we are focusing on renewing your soul and rejoicing, and it says the light, delicate fragrance of cherry blossoms. So cherry blossoms is what we're seeing in this fun design. Means spring is in the air. Uplift your spirits and pamper yourself with this trio, sure to brighten your day. The Everyday Shampoo, so we have that right here. So we do have Everyday Shampoo in our regular catalog, but this is a special item that's in the Cherry Blossom scent, and it's our everyday formula. The Everyday Shampoo is safe for all hair types and every member of the family. If you want something fun and different and a new scent for spring, then this Cherry Blossom Everyday Shampoo is a great product to have on hand. The Herbal Roll-On Nail Serum, which this is one of my all-time favorites. We've had this in a couple of different Joyful Jordan boxes over the past few years. I had stocked up, but I'm getting down to the last little bit in the current one that I have, so I'm really excited to have another one. This Herbal Roll-On Nail Serum nourishes the nails with boosts of vitamins, and I love having these in my purse, and I keep one at my desk, so it has the tea tree oil, and it's just a great little treat for my cuticles and nails. And finally, the Cherry Blossom Cuticle Stick, and this is another one. So we used to have a cuticle stick for a while in our catalog. It's been several years since we've had it, but here lately we've had some specialty versions of the cuticle stick every once in a while in a Joyful Jordan box. So this time around it's this wonderful cherry blossom scent and this awesome cuticle stick. Again, super easy to travel, throw in your purse, throw in your pocket, throw in your little manicure bag. And the Cherry Blossom Cuticle Stick softens and moisturizes cuticles for healthier nails. So this is a really nice little spring box of goodies. Again, these are all exclusive. You cannot get them in our regular catalog, but this would be a great collection either to pamper and treat yourself or to give as a gift to a friend who needs a little boost. But overall, just some really nice, great healthy skin, healthy products. For $25, it's a great deal, and you get to treat yourself to something new and different. So I will link everything below, and if you want to order your own Joyful Jordan box, I'll have my link down there. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or send me a message, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoy seeing these little sneak peeks, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.